When it comes to detail engineering survey services in Palam Vihar, SCON Design is the name that stands out. With their expertise and experience in the field, they provide top-notch survey services that are crucial for any engineering project. Whether it's a construction project or infrastructure development, accurate and detailed surveys are essential to ensure the success and efficiency of the project. SCON Design understands this importance and offers comprehensive survey services that cater to the specific needs of their clients in Palam Vihar. One of the key aspects of detail engineering survey services provided by SCON Design is their attention to detail. They understand that every project is unique and requires a tailored approach to gather precise information. Their team of skilled surveyors utilizes advanced surveying equipment and techniques to collect accurate data, ensuring that all aspects of the project are thoroughly examined. From topographic surveys to boundary surveys, SCON Design covers it all, ensuring that their clients have a complete understanding of the site before commencing any construction work. Another noteworthy feature of SCON Design's detail engineering survey services is their commitment to delivering results within the agreed timeframe. They understand that time is of the essence in any project, and delays can have a significant impact on the overall schedule and budget. Therefore, they work diligently to complete surveys efficiently without compromising on quality. Their streamlined processes and efficient work ethic allow them to provide timely survey reports, enabling their clients to proceed with their projects smoothly. SCON Design also prides itself on its ability to provide cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality. They understand that engineering projects often come with budget constraints, and their aim is to provide accurate surveys at competitive prices. SCON Design is the name that stands out when it comes to detail engineering survey services in Palam Vihar. They offer excellent survey services that are essential for any engineering project, thanks to their knowledge and experience in the industry. Accurate and thorough surveys are necessary for every construction project or infrastructure development to ensure the project's efficiency and success. SCON Design recognizes the significance of this and provides thorough survey services tailored to the unique requirements of its clients in Palam Vihar. SCON Design's attention to detail is one of the essential components of its detail engineering survey services. They are aware that each project is distinct and needs a customized strategy to obtain accurate information. Their group of knowledgeable surveyors gathers reliable data using cutting-edge tools and methods to ensure that every facet of the project is carefully reviewed. SCON Design performs all types of surveys, including topographic and boundary surveys, to make sure that their clients are fully aware of the site before beginning any construction work. SCON Design is dedicated to producing results within the predetermined timeline, which is another significant aspect of their detail engineering survey services.